Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Thanks for watching this video. This is your girl Tone. I'm gonna sit down right here. Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to unbox a 3 Nikkis box. It's gonna be a quick little haul. I hope that you guys enjoy this. This is a black owned brand, and it really aligns with Playing with Tone in the fact of productivity and spreading, you know, information and resources around being productive. It's all cool and dandy when you have your planner, but let's like be productive. Amen. So definitely follow them on Instagram if you're interested in planning and productivity stuff. I just got all my stuff over my desk because I'm actually wrapping up work real quick. So yeah, I'm just trying to hide my address or whatever. Yes, I'm excited. I literally just got this in the mail. So yes. Oh, look at this pen, y'all, that I received with my thank you. With my thank you and my thing. So first thing first, I received this pen. It's a rose gold pen. I'm gonna do a quick pen test for you guys. Sticky note. Okay. First of all, this writes so smooth. I absolutely love this. Pen writes so smooth. Okay. Y'all see that? So nice. Like I said, this is items from 3 Nikkis. I'm just so excited. I also do have a code with them if you're interested. The code is TONE10, and you can get 10% off any order with them. So a lot of these inserts I'm testing out for my 2021 system. So I'm super excited. Look at this. Like, I feel like I need to just take a picture of this alone. Like, what? Look at these, y'all. Looks so cute. And one thing I did notice is that there's paper clips for every single pair of inserts. Now, you tell me a brand that is giving you extras like that. That is so lovely. I'm really thoughtful and intentional for her products, so that's really nice. So let's go through the inserts that I got. I mainly got A5, and it'll make sense once I have my 2021 system set up, but I am going to use 2 A5 planners and a half letter planner. That's the system so far. So the first one here I got is a budget per paycheck. So with my new job, I'm switching from my old monthly. I used to get paid once a month, which was so horrible, and now I'm getting paid bi-weekly. So I wanted to be able to manage my new paychecks coming in from my new job bi-weekly. So this is what it looks like close up. I think I had my heater playing in the background for most of it, so I apologize about that. But so I'm really excited for this. So again, this is the budget per paycheck, and you can write your bills that you are gonna pay for, spending, saving. I love that because, like I said, it's per paycheck. So I would use it's front and back, so I would use one per month, one sheet per month. Love that. Okay, so what's this? This belongs to, oh yes, okay, so these are the monthly overview inserts, and it has like this month's plan. So that's the main reason why I got these inserts, was to better plan out my months. So I'm going to be using this a lot for schedule planning. And then look at this, y'all. This design's so nice. You can put important dates and deadlines, goals and priorities, the year, and then it's a long to-do list. And it's a note page, and then for each month, yeah, okay. And then it comes with another note page which starts the next month. So it's really nice. I can't wait to use this. I can even see myself using this for finances as well. So yeah. Next is the the debt payment. Each year I have a debt that I want to pay off, but I want to get more intentional about it, especially because I'm moving towards larger debts such as loans and like larger credit cards. So I want to be able to, you know, like assess interest rate is, credit limit, all that stuff, and then just track out how I'll be like tracking out how much I'll be paying. Like there might be some months I might be able to pay more and such. So that's really cool, and this will be added to the finance planner for 2021. Okay, so this is the habit tracker, and I actually want to create some videos where you guys can incorporate a habit tracker into your planning system. So if that's a video that you guys are definitely interested in, please let me know in the comments below. The habit tracker. Okay, and you can write out your main goal and the week of to which week. So this is the order tracker. So y'all know, even like with this order, I just be ordering stuff and be forgetting about it. It's the order tracker, description of like who you bought it from, the date, and when it's gonna ship. So for example, I have a printer coming in, and then next week is what's that called? Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I know y'all about to spend money, so keep track of your orders, so you know, especially when it's time to ship, especially with the mail and stuff, like you don't know where your package is, and now you know it's years later. So again, you can track these weekly, which I really like because I do track my orders by the week. So this is really nice. So it's the paper clips for me. Like they're so cute. Look at that. Like, and you get 3 in each set of inserts. So if you buy inserts, you'll get paper clips. It's really cool. And then this the to-do insert. I'm not gonna open this one because you guys can see. You just write your to-dos and cross it off. I really like these inserts. Can't wait to use this in my work planner for the rest of this year and into 2021. So this is a finance bundle. So what it'll come with is like a monthly, this is like the monthly bills here, a money brief. You guys can see, it's really nice. These inserts are bomb. Like I cannot wait to really get my finances together. I had other financial inserts, but they just didn't fit what I needed. So you get a couple of these debt payment ones that are similar to the ones that I showed you guys, and then it has the budget here, and you can do this by the month. So I do believe there's enough for a couple months. And then here's the expense tracker, which I really like as well, because I do like to make sense of what I'm paying for. So yeah, so then it comes with a bunch of other budgets and expense trackers as well. So I really like this finance bundle. It's really, really nice. Okay, and then the next thing I got was this monthly reflection as well. I'm about to show you guys. It's really like this design as well. Yeah. So as you guys can see, you could put for the month. Oh, first of all, I got this clear thing. It's really cool. So you can reflect on the week. It's a weekly like reflection. Hold on, I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, here we go. So it's a 1 week, as you guys can see. So it has this week's focus, and then it has Monday to Sunday. And then on the bottom here, if you guys can see, you can reflect on good things that happen, things I will do better, top priorities. So this will be good for work, especially just because like projects change throughout the week, and like the amount of requests I need to get through changes weekly. So I know that there's things that I can improve upon and just reflect upon, and then that's that. So I really like these inserts. I definitely want to try them out for more like mood tracking, productivity tracking, not necessarily like actually tracking my tasks, but more of like my productivity and how I'm moving through my projects that week. So these are really, really cool. And then the last inserts I want to share with you guys that I got is the bills tracker. So again, just tracking my bills. I really wanted to try out a lot of her finance inserts, so I'm happy that I got to, and I'm going to set up my finance insert over the next couple weeks, of course, especially because we're going to 2021. You guys will be seeing me set up more planners, so I'll be setting up a finance planner soon. I'm in showing you guys my finance routine as well. So that's all for my 3 Nikkis order. Again, if you guys are interested in anything, I'm going to link them down below, their shop down below. And then please use Tone Pen to save 10% off. I know there's going to be a bunch of Black Friday sales and stuff like that, but support your girl, okay? Period. So thank you all so much for watching this video. And thanks for watching Playing with Tone. And I'll see you guys in my next one.